This resource is called Kids Discover, and it can be used for you guys to look up some facts on your different topics for your historical fiction stories. So, if you want to look up some American history, you click on that and it gives you a bunch of different options. So, we'll go to American Revolution. It gives you a few more. And how about 1776? And they can click the one in the middle. And then it'll take you to some information on 1776. Right here, it gives you a little bit of information that you guys can read. And then if you go down a little bit more, there's some more topics that you can look into that are all about the American Revolution in 1776. We'll click on this one. And it takes you down here. And it talks about the citizens during 1776, the colonists, what they wanted, if they wanted to be loyal to the king or not, what the British did, like taxing tea. And it just has a few more things that you can read into. And then, once you're done with that, you can just go back. You can just hit the backspace key and go back, and it'll bring you back to this. And if you want to look at, say, George Washington, you can look at some information on him. And it's the same thing. It'll give you some more description at the top right here. And then you can learn more about George Washington by looking at the other topics that are all about him. This one talks about Washington as being the first president after the Revolutionary War. So this website just has a lot of different information that you guys can use to research your topics for your historical fiction. It has American history, world history for those of you doing the World War I and World War II and the Holocaust, and some historical figures if you need extra information on, say, Abraham Lincoln or George Washington or anyone like that. So, there you go.